I've traveled a lot in the last decade, and the one thing I hate most is hauling luggage, especially in Europe and Asia, where you may or may not have elevators. So packing light is already an obsession, and the idea of getting all my stuff into one backpack, eliminating the need for a suitcase, backpack, and laptop bag, is super appealing. But with all the travel backpacks on the market, which one is the best? Well, let's look at these two side by side so you can make a choice. These two bags have a lot in common. They are both really high quality bags. They both seem to be made very well with thick, durable fabric and good quality zippers. They have similar capacities in the clothing pockets. I can fit about a week's worth of my husband's extra large spring, summer, fall clothing in each, as well as regular backpack things like headphones, books, and snacks in the front pockets. The Lapsouno does have a little bit more space in the front pockets. Both bags have a USB charging attachment on the inside, so you can plug in your portable charger, slip it in the inside pocket, and charge your phone on the outside of the closed-up bag. The Lapsouno has an extra USB pass-through in the second pocket as well. And then there are all the other pockets. These have pretty similar offerings, with a front section dedicated to places to keep pens, pencils, and other supplies, and a few extra pockets for things you need to grab quickly, plus a side pocket for a water bottle. The Lapsouno actually has 2 water bottle pockets. The Lumesner comes with a zippered waterproof pocket in the front, which is so convenient for many reasons, such as wet swimsuits at the end of a trip or toiletries you don't want spilling on your clothes. It also comes with a couple of packing cubes and a shoe bag and a toiletry bag. The Lapsouno opens vertically instead of horizontally like most travel backpacks, so it's a little easier to reach in and grab something if you need it. It also comes with a laptop bag on the inside of the clothing section of the bag, so you've got clothing on one side and the very padded back and straps on the other. The Lumesner has it in the front, where it's definitely less secure and cushioned, but also more accessible. Both have great mesh padding on the backs and the little zipper pocket on the bottom. The Lumesner has detachable straps and a pocket to stow them, so you can easily turn it into a soft-sided suitcase. One important difference is that because the Lapsouno has more capacity in the front, if it's filled to capacity, it's too wide to fit under seat in most airplanes and is technically too wide even for an overhead bin, though it could be squeezed. The extra large Lumesner should fit under most airline seats, but do check ahead because there are a few airlines with very small underseat compartments. Overall, these are both incredible travel backpacks. The Lapsouno is a great choice if you're trying to maximize space or really need easy access to everything. The Lumesner is ideal if you need something compact and easy to fly with. And it's got some great extras like the packing cubes and detachable straps. I really like both of these and hope you find the one that works for you.